guys, hello.
Neo!
No! Neo!
Ito may naliyaw ngayon.
Maligo sa.
Ito magyapon na yung maligo.
Look, buot-buot. Asan gimpit?
Dito,
Ay, oh my God, Jesus Christ. Tagan kay mga toys ni mo.
What?
Okay.
What?
Okay. Na-record ko.
What?
Hello, guys. We're testing out Siren Head eating a village. He's gonna kill him. Kill him, Siren Head. Oh, I told you. Oh, he just finally killed it. Let me just spawn him. Did I just kill him? Too damn it! He's kind of freaking good. Yeah, good.
Aya, pag naman aya, maligo. Pag naman ang ligo.
Let's test
Mami,
Big Brother Siren Head. Big Brother Siren Head is huge than your
Maligo na ko, aya, ay.
future predator. So for Big Siren known as Mega Horn, we're not gonna use him because he's not gonna fit in the cage. He said, guy, don't you just fit in the cage? No, it isn't. The brother do. The siren, the breaking brother. You don't know what to do with this. He is huge. So let's stand here watching him get one shot, bro. Let's make him fight Mega Horn.
Kuto'y may kahorn, aya.
Big Siren. I'm gonna spawn him in. He is short. If you compare it, if he is up, he's gonna peak. Big boy Siren Head is my best Siren Heads ever. He is huge and likely most big, so light head. There's no more Siren Heads, so we're gonna be light head, if you can say. He's laggy too, kinda. He falls like that. Yeah. That's funny. But it just, I did
Aya, pag kuman akong ligo, aya, ikaw sad.
think he's one-shotting him. One-shotting him. Sorry for that sound. It's kind of disturbing. I hope nobody yes, because it's a small cage. It's small because small monsters won't go in because they will kill my machine. I hate my life. So for the okay, bro. This spawns giants. It's cool. Wait, what happens if I put him in? Keep one block away. Bye-bye machine. What? What? Let's test. What? Ah! Naka. Wow! Naka. Wow! Mega Horn. If you never heard of this monster, then let me tell you. He's one of the most best monsters you can tell. If you say he's a noob, you're gonna type in the freaking movie up. He is not friendly, according to the game, because he is a creature of green valley. Wait, what? Wait. He kinda look like SCP-09. Yep, I know it. You can own that. What? Ignore him. He's back. Werewolf. We already see that in my last video. Slenderman. Oh, he's scary. Werewolves. We saw him in the last part of it now. Wendigo, oh my. Will they kill the most dangerous and most monstrous entity? You just not guess it first for a Sparnet. Yep, it is the Wither store. I mean Wither. Wither is full of. But he just destroyed my block. Yes. He's finding spot. Big brother, kill the Wither. Kill the Wither. You're surrounded with big brother. Big siren. Need to kill him. Imagine if you see so many sirens with two big ones. You would regret it. Oh, are you okay? A POV. Leg. What is that? Megahorn's POV. What the heck? Ooh, tasty siren hits. Like, yung daging. Okay, guys. I'm buying. Bye-bye.